Hello, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Desnova Riauna with NIM 3012. I will read the following article with purpose and pronunciation and swear and the question below the article. Climate change. How do we know? Our climate has changed throughout history in the last 650,000 years. There have been 7 cycles of glacial advance and treat the last as egg and about 12,000 years ago. This marked the beginning of the modern climate era and of human civilization. Of most of this climate change era caused by very small variation in Earth orbit. Their variation changes the amount of solar energy or planet receives. The current warming trend is significant, most of it extremely likely greater than 95% probability to be the result of human activities and the mind 20 years country. The warming trend is progressing at the appreciated rate. With new technology, scientists have collected many different types of information about our planet. They have studied our climate on a global scale. They have collection data from many different locations around the globe. They have collection data over many years. The data show that the climate is changing. We know that carbon dioxide and other gases are able to trap heat. In fact, we have known this since the mid 1800s. Test gases affect the transfer of energy through the atmosphere. The fact is the basis of many instruments followed by NASA. There is no question that increased level of greenhouse gases cause the air to warm. Scientists have studied a sample from Greenland, Antarctica, and tropical mountain glacier. This ice sample show that our climate responds to change in the greenhouse gas level. 3 rings, ocean sediments, coral reef, and layer of sedimentary rock also hold evidence. This evidence reveals the current warming to occurring at a very fast rate. After the last SI, 3 was a warming period. The Earth recovered from a cool climate and grew warmer. Scientists have calculated the average rate warming after an ice age. Global warming today is happening roughly the time faster than the average rate of ice age recovery warming. Carbon dioxide for human activity is increasing more than 250 times faster than I did from natural causes after the last SI. Question: how many cycles of glacial advance and retreat have occurred in the last 650,000 years? The answer, basis of the next above. The correct answer is in the last 650,000 years. There have been 7 cycles of glacial advance and retreat. Question number 2. Look at the graph at the top of the article for can tourists up until the years 1950 atmospheric carbon dioxide of not been above. Answer, there 3,300. Question number 3. Increased level of this ice sample so that air climate response and to change in the greenhouse gas levels have been identified as a key cause of the ice warming. Climate change is evident by change in three rings: ocean sedimental, coral reef, and layers of sedimentary rock also hold evidence. This evidence reveals that current warming is occurring at a very fast rate. Since 1969, the ocean surface has warmed by more than degrees Celsius. The answer is carbon dioxide from human activity is the cause increasing more than 250 times faster than indeed from natural sources after the last ice age. Thank you very much for your attention, Mr. Handoko. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.